Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make the mask at your home to get rid of the oily skin. So guys, if you are having the problem of the oily skin, then this video could be helpful for you because here I will share with you a procedure how to make the face mask at your home to get rid of this oily skin. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients. The second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and the third part, it would be related the procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our first part of the video where I will share you the benefits of the ingredients. Aloe vera too works as an astringent, drying out the excess oil from the skin pores as it contains 90% water, also hydrates the skin. You can also mix it with the honey, which acts as humectant, drying moisturizer to skin without turning it oily. These were some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are moving to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this mask we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the aloe vera gel, and number two, we have needed the honey. So guys, for the quantity, our first ingredients aloe vera gel, we have needed 2 tablespoons, and our second ingredients honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon. Guys, these were the ingredients and the benefits. Now we are moving to our last part of the video where I will share with you the process how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method, and the step one is blend together aloe vera gel and the honey. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step one. Number one, take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl. It is better to use a fresh aloe vera gel for this purpose. Number two, add 1 tablespoon of the honey. Number three, mix the two with the hand blender. So guys, that was our step one. Now we are going to our step two, and step two is apply the aloe vera honey mix on your face. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step two. Number one, using a cosmetic brush, apply the mix all over your face except your eye area. Number two, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Number three, wash it off with the lukewarm water and pat dry. That was a simple and the easy procedure to make this mask at your home to get rid of the oiliness from your skin by using aloe vera and the honey. So guys, here I'm gonna add one thing. You may apply this mask 3 to 4 times in a week to have the supple and the oil-free skin. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other interesting and the useful solution. Till that time, take care.